GoldiBox Washplant. Let's see how much gold we find. Today there's going to be a slight twist. Out of me and my dad, whoever finds the most gold gets to keep the other person's gold. In order to beat my dad in the challenge, I have to find a good spot. So as you can see here, I lifted this big heavy rock, and there's a good mixture of roots and gravel, which that means there's a good sign of gold. So let's get to work. Here we go. Here's the first shovelful. Look how much material is coming out of these roots. Here's my dad. He's working at a pretty good spot here too. So he just used a sawzall to cut open this giant root. Hopefully there's a huge pocket of gold under it, but I hope I find more so that way I get to keep all of his gold. We've been going about for an hour now, and we're gonna see about our 2/3 of the way and who has the most gold in the indicator map to kind of show who's in the lead right now. So let me turn this off.
Go and pull it out. There's a bunch of gold underneath. Oh yeah.
Alright, that's good. Most of the gold will be in the main sluice box body, but the indicator map gives an idea of how much gold we're finding. About 15-20 pieces. Pretty nice for just the indicator map. Now my dad's doing his indicator map, but I don't know if it's fair because his shovel is 2 times bigger than mine. I might have found more small pieces than him, but he's got a couple nice little flakes, so we're probably at the same amount right now. Just a couple of shovelfuls.
I'm at more.
Just a couple of shovelfuls can make me in the lead, so let's get back to work. You might be wondering why I'm super quiet right now. That's because I'm gonna go steal a scoop of my dad's dirt to see how much gold I find. Shh, I hope he doesn't find out. Look at all this nice material. I hope he doesn't notice. Let's put it in the GoldiBox now. It's been about 10 minutes since I took that shovelful, and it looks like we got a lot of gold from it. So let's go for the next level. Hey Dad, I need you to go get the GoPro batteries. The GoPro batteries are about to die in this one.
All right, let me get them.
All right, we're gonna take a shovel and fill up a whole bucket of dirt. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hope he doesn't notice. I can hear my dad coming back, so let's go quick. Oh, what makes you come here so early?
I think the GoPro battery's already down here, but I think they're in the backpack.
Oh, that makes sense. Nothing to see here. Alright. He didn't even notice. Let's add all this dirt into our GoldiBox Washplant. Let's wait a little bit for the washplant to clear out, and I'll show you how much gold we just got from that. You can't really see right now, but when we turned it off to check the indicator mat, I took a quick look at all the gold we had, and let's see if we find a whole bunch more from that little steal we just did. My dad's never gonna notice. We've been gold mining for about 2 hours now, and it's time for a clean out. Let's see who finds the most gold. Thanks. All right, let's take off the first part and unhinge the hose. Fill this gold pan up with some water. And do our clean out. Wow, look at all the gold in here in these first few riffles. We always got to do the bottom mat first, that way the first mat doesn't fling the gold all over the place. Now we can just use the water from the pan to splash all the dirt and alright. One thing I like about the GoldiBox Washplant is that it processes all the cons, so you don't have to do as much panning and just as much shoveling. So there's way too much black sand for me to pan out here, so I'm gonna have to pan it out at home. But here's a quick peek of what I got. That's a lot of gold, especially for this place. Now that I'm done, let's check out how much gold my dad found. So after I finished, my dad was like, "Oh my God, why'd you find so much?" I hope the size of a shovel doesn't matter.
Lots of lead. I think I beat you, buddy.
Alright, Dad, so since you won the gold challenge, what would you like to say after you became victorious and took all my gold from a little tiny child?
You should have used a bigger shovel.